We have a 2013 Honda Civic Si. If you ever want to change the cabin air filter, open the glove box. Got these little tabs on both sides. You squeeze them in. You really need both hands, so I'm going to do that real quick. Anyway, you squeeze that tab towards the inside, that tab toward the inside, and it floats on out of here. And then your cabin air filter is the latch is right here on this side. You just push that in, open it up, and there's your filter. It slides out like that. You can replace it. This one needs to be replaced. And then once you replace it, put the clips back on it. Then put your glove box back in place. And that's how you replace the cabin air filter. Thanks for watching.